You light up my mind.
You light up my life.
And you're welcome.
I don't know the words, but that won't stop me from singing. 'Cause you light up my life. Or, I don't know the words, but you make me happy.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay, let me talk about this for a second. What we have here is the numbers, or the colors. Reverse, coming from the way I wired it, my wire run coming from up at the fuse panel, that area in that direction, is white. The brake lights, or the brakes we're using, and the reverse lights happen to also be white. So I wrote what I am using, what the lights themselves have in their harness. This is the parking / marker lights / running lights, whatever you want to call them. I'm using black throughout the bus for that. But these parking lights, their color is green. Brake was red for me, and then red for what I purchased. And then these are left and right turn signals. I used blue for my left and green for my right. In this particular type of brake lights and whatnot assembly, they used yellow, and then gray for ground. That's the ones connected to here to the white, because I actually use white for my grounds also. The gist of that is, in order for me to keep it all straight, I would write it on the wall. It doesn't matter. Another example of me writing on the wall to keep things straight, you can see I actually wrote it several times. There it is again when I was working on other things. And then over here again, these ones are actually, when I was wiring up the side lights, we have some lights that are on the side. They're long. It's a different style. It's not these ones, which are going to be the same brake lights that I'll show you here in a second, but similar. But you can see I would write on the wall so I can keep it straight while I'm doing my wiring. Most of that's because there's so many projects going on simultaneously that it's just impossible to keep it all straight. I was making a lot of mistakes, and we still are making mistakes, but we're novices. We're just figuring this out as we go. Hold that thought. I'll show you a picture of what our lights look like in the back. Okay, so this is the back of our bus. The lights that we're talking about, this is them right there. Let me bring it over here. This is the ones we just wired up. We have two up there, two sets, and then when we build our extension on our bumper down here, 3-foot extension, we're going to put another double sets, 2 on each side, just like we have up top. So basically we'll have 4 brake lights, turn lights, and reverse lights. You're going to know when I hit the brake light. Unrelated, that's the Mr. Cool. That's the 120 volt version. It's a DIY. Got it mounted. Pretty cool. Different video though. So bicycle. Stay nerdy, my friends.